Hi students, welcome back to all 4 C learning classes. Dear students, already we have completed type 1, type 2, type 3 models of the partial fractions for proper fractions. Now I am going to start type 4. Okay, please write this value type 4 when denominator contains repeated irreducible quadratic factors. When the denominator contains repeated irreducible quadratic factors. Already we know about repeated, what are the repeated values, what are the non-repeated values. Already we know about these values. Suppose it is the x plus 1, it is the first degree polynomial. It is non-repeated. Suppose x plus 1 whole square, that means it is repeated. Here x square plus 1, what is this value? It is the quadratic, but it has no factors. So it is said to be irreducible quadratic value, irreducible quadratic factor. Suppose x square plus 1 whole square, what is the meaning of this? X square plus 1 is repeated 2 times. That means it is the irreducible repeated quadratic factor. Irreducible repeated irreducible quadratic factor. Okay, please note this value. Type 4. Type 1 is the non-repeated linear factors. If the denominator contains f of x by g of x is the rational fraction and at the same time it is proper. If the denominator contains non-repeated linear factors, then it is said to be type 1. If the denominator contains repeated linear factors, it is said to be type 2. If the denominator contains irreducible non-repeated quadratic factors, then it is said to be type 3. In this case, repeated irreducible quadratic factors. Okay, please note this value. Let f of x by g of x be the proper fraction and the denominator g of x contains repeated irreducible quadratic factors. Then for every repeated quadratic factor of ax square plus bx plus c whole power n, there will be n partial fractions. They are a1x plus b1 by ax square plus bx plus c plus a2x plus b2 by ax square plus bx plus c whole square plus a3x plus b3 by ax square plus bxc plus c whole cube plus 1. What is the last term? X square plus bx plus c whole power n. That means a suffix nx plus b suffix n by ax square plus bx plus c whole power n. Please observe this value. It is one of the partial fraction. It is the second, third, n. We get n partial fractions. Okay, where a1, a2, a3, so on, an and b1, b2, b3, so on, bn are constants which are to be determined. Please note this value. In a non-repeated quadratic factors, here it is repeated, non-repeated quadratic factor, every quadratic factor of ax square plus b, what is the factor? Ax plus b by ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, in this case it is repeated. So for every value we get one of the factor, partial fraction. Okay, for example, write one of the example. The question is in this way: x by x square plus 1 whole square into x minus 2. First you observe this value. It is a rational fraction. Numerator degree is 1, denominator degree is 4 plus 1, 5. It is proper. And at the same time, x square plus 1 is the quadratic and it has irreducible. At the same time, it repeated 2 times. It is the repeated irreducible quadratic. That means type 4. So, what are the partial fractions? For x square plus 1 whole square, we get 2 partial fractions. Each is in the form of ax plus b by x square plus 1 plus cx plus d by x square plus 1 whole square. For this value, we get 2 partial fractions. Next, it is the non-repeated linear, so it has one partial fraction. That value is e by x minus 2. Please note this value where a, b, c, d are constants which are to be determined. Next, example 2. x plus 2 by x square minus x plus 1 into 2x plus 10. Please write the partial fractions whole square. Sorry, this value is whole square. X square minus x plus 1 has no factors. It is irreducible quadratic and repeated 2 times. Same way. Ax plus b by x square minus x plus 1. Ax plus b by x square minus x plus 1 plus cx plus d by x square minus x plus 1 whole square plus e by 2x plus 10. Reduce this value into partial fractions where a, b, c, d are constants. Okay. Now resolve x by x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 whole square into partial fractions. Please write the one of the example. Resolve x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 whole square into partial fractions. Please observe this value. It is the irreducible quadratic and it is repeated 2 times. So we get 2 partial fractions. Put x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to ax plus b by x square plus x plus 1 plus cx plus d by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. These are the partial fractions. Now we find a, b, c, d and substitute that values in this equation. We get the required partial fractions. Okay. After LCM, it can be reduced into x square plus 1 is equal to, what is the LCM here? X square plus x plus 1 whole square, denominator cancel. That means ax plus b into x square plus x plus 1 plus cx plus d. Please observe this value. It is equation number 2. Okay. By comparing, what is the higher power here? X cube, x square, x constant terms, we get the constant terms a, b, c, d. Okay. Now by comparing, what is higher? X into x square means x cube. By comparing x cube coefficients on both sides, we get, what is the value? Here x cube coefficient is 0. 0 is equal to ax into x square means what is the value? Ax cube. Here there is no x cube term. So finally we get a is equal to 0. A value is 0. Next. Okay. Next, what is the constant term or next higher power? Next higher power, x square coefficient. Compare x square coefficients. 1 is equal to, what is the x square here? Ax into x. Ax into x means ax square. Next, constant into x square means x square. That means ax into x square means a plus b into x square means b. Here x square coefficient is a plus b. Here there is no x square coefficient. Already we find a value is 0. So what is the value of b? B is equal to 1. Okay. Next, compare x coefficient. Here x coefficient is 0. 0 is equal to, for getting x coefficient, ax into constant, that means a, plus constant into x, that means b. Okay. Next, what is the constant term here? C. Cx means c. Here a value is 0, b value is 1. So automatically c value is equal to minus 1. Okay. Next, by comparing constant terms on both sides, what is the constant term here? Constant terms. 1 is equal to, here for getting constant into constant, that means b plus d. Here constant term is d. Okay. Here what is the value of b? B is equal to 1. Substitute this value in this equation, we get d is equal to 0. Substitute these values in the given equation, we get partial fractions. Substitute these values in this value. A value is 0. So this value is 0. What is the value of b? 1. 1 by x square plus x plus 1 plus what is the value of c? C is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 plus 0 by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. These are the required partial fractions. Okay. Please note this value. Next, example 2, find the partial fractions of 9 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square into x square plus 1. Please observe this value. It is the non-repeated linear factor. It is the repeated factor. It is irreducible non-repeated quadratic factors. Type 1, type 2, type 3 are there. Okay. First we reduce this value into a by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 2 plus c by x plus 2 whole square plus dx plus e by x square plus 1. Please observe this value. Corresponding this x minus 1 we get only one partial fraction. X plus 2 whole square we get two values. That values are a by b by x plus 2, c by x plus 2 whole square. Here it is irreducible quadratic. Corresponding to this we get only one value. That is dx plus e by x square plus 1. After LCM it can be reduced into 9 into this value. Equating like terms on both sides we get a, b, c, d, f. Find this value. It is the homework. Okay. Next. Already we completed the types of the partial fractions for proper fractions. In a proper fraction there are four types. First one is f of x by g of x is the proper fraction if the g of x contains non-repeated linear factors. Type 1 is the denominator contains non-repeated linear factors. Type 2 is the repeated linear factors. Type 3 is non-repeated irreducible quadratic factors. Type 4 is repeated irreducible quadratic factors. Okay. Now coming to the next point, partial fractions for improper fractions. In previous case proper fractions, in this case improper fractions. Please note this value. Partial fractions for improper fractions. Suppose f of x by g of x is a improper fraction. What is the meaning of this? For in improper fractions, degree of numerator is equal to degree of denominator or degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. In this case, degree of f of x is always greater than or equal to degree of g of x. That means degree of f of x is equal to degree of g of x or degree of f of x is greater than degree of g of x. In this case, there will be two cases. In both of the cases, we can do in this way. Please observe this value. When f of x by g of x is improper fraction, by using the division algorithm, then this can be reduced into f of x by g of x is equal to quotient plus q of x plus r of x by g of x. Okay, already we know about this value, division algorithm. Here q of x is the quotient value and it is the non-constant. Q of x is a non-zero polynomial. And at the same time, r of x is the remainder and degree of r of x is less than degree of g of x. That means r of x by g of x is must be proper fraction. This is the proper fraction. It is a proper. So, it is possible to resolve into partial fractions. Okay. Please observe this value and note this value. When f of x by g of x is an improper fraction, then by using division algorithm, it can be reduced into f of x by g of x is equal to q of x plus r of x by g of x, where q of x is a non-zero polynomial and it is a quotient value. In bracket, please write that value, quotient. And r of x by g of x is a proper fraction. Degree of r of x must be less than degree of g of x. That means it is a proper. Now, r of x by g of x can be reduced into partial fractions. Okay. Here, f of x by g of x improper means the degree of f of x is equal to degree of g of x or degree of f of x is greater than degree of g of x. In this case, two cases are arise. Okay. First case. Please write the case 1. Case 1. When degree of f of x is equal to degree of g of x. When degree of f of x is equal to degree of g of x. By using the division algorithm, f of x by g of x is equal to q of x plus r of x by g of x. Please observe this point. Here what is the degree of the quotient of q of x? Q of x degree is nothing but degree of f of x minus degree of g of x. Here both the degrees are equal. That means degree of q of x is 0. That means q of x is constant term. Q of x is constant term. For getting this constant term, this value can be reduced in this way. F of x by g of x is equal to, it is must be constant. So k plus some remainder by g of x. K plus g r of x by g of x. Here the value of k is nothing but simply higher power coefficient in f of x by higher power coefficient in g of x. Higher power coefficient in f of x by higher power coefficient in g of x. Please write this value. Case 1. When degree of f of x is equal to degree of g of x, degree of f of x is equal to degree of g of x. Please write in bracket case 1. In this case, f of x by g of x can be expressed as f of x by g of x is equal to k plus r of x by g of x. Please observe this value. Why it appears constant? Degree of f of x is equal to degree of g of x. That means degree of quotient is equal to 0. That means constant term. Say this value is k. Okay. K plus r of x by g of x. Where k is a constant, that implies k is equal to highest power coefficient in f of x by highest power coefficient in g of x. Highest power coefficient in f of x by highest power coefficient in g of x. Please write one of the example. Example 1. Resolve x cube by 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 into partial fractions. Resolve x cube by 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 into partial fractions. In this rational fraction, what is the degree of the numerator? 3. Degree of the denominator is also 3. Numerator degree is equal to denominator degree. Clearly it is a improper fraction of case 1. Okay. Here it can be reduced into constant plus something rx by g of x. Okay. Here what is the equation? X cube by 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. That is equal to, what is the constant value? K is nothing but, please observe this value. Clearly it is, please note this point. Clearly it is a improper fraction. Clearly it is a improper fraction such that degree of numerator is equal to degree of denominator. Okay. Put this x cube is equal to constant. What is the constant? Constant is nothing but the coefficient of higher coefficient means x cube coefficient is 1. Here denominator higher x cube. What is the coefficient? 2x into x square means 2x cube. So this value is constant is 1 by 2 plus r of x by, what is the denominator here? G of x, 2x minus 1. Please observe this value into x plus 2. Okay. Into x plus 3. Here degree of r of x is always less than degree of this denominator. So it can be resolved into partial fractions. Now that implies x cube by 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 plus, what are the partial fractions? A by 2x minus 1 plus b by x plus 2 plus c by x plus 3. Here does not depends upon rx. If rx is any value, but the partial fractions are in this way. Okay, please note this point. Now we find the values of ABC. Okay, how we find the values of ABC? Please write this value. It is the equation number 1. It is the equation number 1. After LCM, it can be reduced into x cube by 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to, what is the LCM? 2 of 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. Okay, here 1 by 2 here, that means this value is 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 plus 2a into x plus 2 into x plus 3 plus 2b into 2x minus 1 into x plus 3 plus c of 2c of 2x minus 1 into x plus 2. Okay, by eliminating the denominator terms 2x minus 1, these are cancelled. After cross multiplication, it can be reduced into 2x cube is equal to 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 plus 2a into x plus 2 into x plus 3 plus 2b into 2x minus 1 into x plus 3 plus 2c into 2x minus 1 into x plus 2. Say this is equation number 2. For getting A, put x is equal to 1 by 2 in this equation. For getting B, put x is equal to minus 2 in this equation. Put x is equal to minus 3 in this equation, we get ABC. Okay, please write that values. Put For getting a, put x is equal to 1 by 2, or at x is equal to 1 by 2, or put x is equal to 1 by 2 in equation 2. 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube means 1 by 8 is equal to, here what is the value? 2 into 1 by 2 means 1 minus 1, this value always 0. 0 plus a of 2a of, here x is equal to 1 by 2. 2a of 1 by 2 plus 2 means 5 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 plus 2 means 5 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 3 means 7 by 2. Plus what are the remaining values? 2 into 1 by 2 means 1 minus 1, 0. This is automatically 0. 0 plus 0. What is the value of a? Here 1 by 4 is equal to, here 2 cancelled, 35a by 2. That means the a is equal to, in this case it is cancelled 2 times. A is equal to, what is the value? 1 by 2 into 35. That means 1 by 70. It is the value of a. Okay. Similarly, put x is equal to, what is the next value? For getting b, put x is equal to minus 2 in equation 2. Put x is equal to minus 2. Put x is equal to minus 2 in equation 2. We get, what is the value? 2 into minus 2 whole cube is equal to, here minus 2 plus 2 means this value 0. Okay, here automatically minus 2 plus 2 0. Next, plus 2b into, here x value is minus 2. 2b into minus 4 minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1. That means minus 5 into minus 2 plus 3. That means 1. What is the value of b? Find the value of b. Similarly, put x is equal to, what is the next value? Put x is equal to minus 3. In this equation we get c. Substitute these values in the given equation. Equation number 1, we get the required partial fractions. Very, very important. Please note that value. Next. Example 2. Example 2. Find the partial fractions of x cube by x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. In this case also the degree of the numerator is 3. Degree of the denominator is 3. That means it is the improper fraction of numerator degree is equal to denominator degree. Okay, that means it is case 1 type. Please write this value. Clearly it is the improper fraction such that degree of numerator is equal to degree of denominator. So in this case we reduce this value into k plus rx by something. What is the k value? Put this value is equal to, k value is nothing but higher coefficient by higher coefficient. Here higher coefficient is x into x into x means x cube. X cube by x cube coefficient is 1. Here x coefficient is 1. 1 by 1 means 1 plus a by x minus a plus, directly you write in this way, or 1 plus r of x by remainder by x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. That means x cube by x minus a into x minus b into x minus c is equal to 1 plus a by x minus a plus b by x minus b plus c by x minus c. Degree of rx must be less than. It is proper. Proper fraction can be resolved into partial fraction a by something, b by something, c by something. In this case, these are non-repeated linear factors. Type 1, a by x minus a plus, b by x minus b plus, c by x minus c. After LCM, it can be reduced into x cube is equal to x minus a into x minus b into x minus c plus a of x minus b into x minus c plus b of x minus a into x minus c plus c of x minus a into x minus b. Say this is equation number 1. It is 2. Denominator cancel. For getting a, put x is equal to a. That means a cube is equal to, here a minus a means 0 plus a into a minus b into a minus c plus remaining values are a minus a 0, a minus a 0, 0 plus 0. What is the value of a? A cube by a minus b into a minus c. Okay, here the value of a is this value. Substitute this value in this equation. Similarly, we find bc. For getting b, put x is equal to b in this equation 2. For getting c, put x is equal to c in this equation. Find the values of bc and substitute that values in this equation. Okay, finally we get the required partial fractions. Please note this value. Next, case 2. When degree of f of x, that means numerator is greater than degree of g of x. In previous case, degree of fx is equal to degree of gx, quotient is constant. But in this case, quotient is not a constant. In this case, we find the q of x. Okay, by using division algorithm, please note this value. When degree of f of x is greater than degree of g of x, case 2. In this case, f of x by g of x can be expressed as f of x by g of x is equal to q of x plus r of x by g of x by using division algorithm, where q of x is the quotient and r of x by g of x is the proper fraction. Degree of r of x is always less than degree of g of x. Proper fraction. It is the proper. So you take separately this value and resolve into this value into partial fractions and add this value qx plus that value. That is the required partial fractions. Okay, and it can be resolved into partial fractions. Please write one of the example. Please write one of the example. Resolve first one, x power 4 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into partial fractions. Please observe this value. Here numerator degree is 4, denominator degree is 2. Numerator degree is greater than denominator degree. So it is improper fraction of case 2. In case 1 both degrees are equal, here not equal. Okay, in this case we divide this value with this value by using division algorithm. Here what is the denominator? It is in the form of f of x by g of x. Degree of f of x is 4, degree of g of x is 2. What is the denominator? Denominator is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2. After distributive property, x square minus 3x plus 2. Multiply this value, we get x square minus 3x plus 2. Now we divide this x power 4 with x square minus 3x plus 2, we get quotient and remainder values. By using the division algorithm, it is the x power 4, divide this value with x square minus 3x plus 2. How many times cancelled? X square. X power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square. After subtracting minus plus minus, okay, it is cancelled. 3x cube minus 2x square. Next again, how many times cancelled? 3x cube, sorry. This is 3x cube plus 2x minus 2x square. Again, it will be cancelled how many times? Plus 3x. Okay. 3x cube minus into plus minus 9x square plus 6x. Okay. After subtracting, it can be reduced into minus plus minus, that means these two are cancelled. 7x square plus minus 6x. Okay, next again x square, how many times cancelled? 7 times, that means 7x square minus 21x plus 14. After subtracting, it can be reduced into, these are cancelled. 21 minus 6, what is the value? 15x minus 14. It is the remainder. Degree of 15x minus 14, 15x minus 14 is less than this degree. Okay, by using division algorithm, it can be reduced into x power 4 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to, what is the quotient value? Quotient is x square plus 3x plus 7 plus, what is the remainder? Remainder is 15x minus 14 by, what is the denominator? X minus 1 into x minus 2. Say this value is equation number 1. Okay, it is the quotient, it is the remainder by this value. Please observe this value. It is r of x by g of x. In this case, it is a proper and at the same time denominator contains non-repeated linear factors. So it is easy to resolve into partial fractions. So separately you take this value and find the partial fractions. So put 15x minus 14 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2. Okay, for getting a, put x is equal to 1 by using shortcut method or by LCM. By applying LCM, put x is equal to 1, x is equal to, we get AB. Directly, at x is equal to 1, what is the value of a? Substitute the value of 1 in numerator, that means 15 minus 14 means 1 by, denominator value 1 minus 2 means 1, that is equal to a is equal to minus 1. Next, at x is equal to 2, what is the value of b? 2 means 30 minus 14. 30 minus 14 means, what is that value? 16. 16 by, here 2 minus 1 means 1, that is equal to 16. What are the partial fractions? It is minus 1 by x minus 1 plus 16 by x minus 2. Substitute these values in this equation, we get the partial fractions. In case 1 also, we can do in this way. But in case 1, constant, numerator degree is equal to denominator degree. That means coefficient is always constant. In that case, we get k, easily we identify the k value. So, we use that method. Okay. Next, example 2. Example 2. Resolve x cube by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into partial fractions. X cube by x minus 1 into x minus 2. Please observe this value. In this case also, the degree of the or x plus 2, you write in this way. X cube by x minus 1 into x plus 2. Resolve into partial fraction. Degree of numerator is 3, degree of denominator is 2. So, degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. So, it is the improper fraction of case 2. So, we must divide this value. Okay, divide by using division algorithm. X cube. Here what is the value? Denominator is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 2. That means x into x square plus 2x minus x means plus x minus 2. Okay, divide this value with x square plus x minus 2. Here first x times x square, sorry, x cube plus x square minus 2x. By subtracting this value, x cube cancelled, minus x square plus 2x. Okay. Again, how many times cancelled? Minus 1 time. Minus x square minus x plus 2. After subtracting plus minus, these are cancelled. Next 3x minus 2. By using the division algorithm, this can be reduced into, what is the quotient value? X minus 1 plus what is the remainder? 3x minus 2 by denominator is x minus 1 into x plus 2. Please write this value. By using the division algorithm, the given rational fraction can be reduced into x cube by x minus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to, by using this value, what is the quotient? X minus 1. What is the remainder? 3x minus 2 by denominator g of x is x minus 1 into x plus 2. This is the equation number 1. In this case, it is the quotient, it is the rx by gx. In this case, please observe this value. Degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. So, it is the proper fraction and type 1. Resolve into partial fractions. Put 3x minus 2 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to a by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 2. Okay, equating numerators, 3x minus 2 is equal to a of x plus 2 plus b of x minus 1. Put x is equal to 1 in this equation, we get a. Put x is equal to minus 2 in this equation, we get b. Substitute these values in this equation, we get the required partial fractions. Please complete this problem.